Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we'll dive into Mychart app review in order to check and review if the app is worth using. So let's quickly dive into it. The Mychart app gives you a secure on-the-go way to access your health record. You can view lab results, schedule or cancel appointment, message your care team and request prescription refill. It's really useful for staying connected with your healthcare without needing to call or go into the hospital. On the downside, many users complain about buggy, confusing navigation and too many non-agent messages. They are also concerned about security. Some report account issues and even possible cost for certain type of Mychart messages. In my opinion, if you frequently interact with a Mychart enabled health system, the app is almost certainly worth using for keeping your medical life organized and accessible. But if your clinic Mychart portal is poorly maintained or you really need it, you might find it frustrating. And that's it. Hope you found the video helpful. If you did, turn on the notification button and make sure you subscribe for more review.